Ladies, this for y'all. Fellas, we need to talk. Listen up. While you eating your girl pussy, don't just have your hands sitting off to the side doing nothing. While you got that one hand holding her lips open, if you even doing that, you could use your other hand to be massaging her inner thigh. You could be rubbing her feet. You could be caressing her breast, playing with her nipples. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do you one even better. When you know that your girl about to nut, reach up and choke her ass. And I guarantee you all this stuff is gonna make her experience 10 times better. All that just keep your hand off to the side shit, that shit is childish and it's rookie shit. I'm giving y'all to the end of 2017 to keep this bullshit up, but when 2018 hit, keep your hands busy while you eating your girl pussy. I'm out.